Adam here. Today I'm comparing Cove and ADT, two home security companies that appeal to very different types of homeowners. Before I get into the comparison, I do want to point out that there's a link in the first pinned comment and in the description to what I consider a better overall alternative. If you want to see an option that offers a strong balance of value, equipment, and long-term protection, that link is worth checking out. Let's start with Cove. Cove is designed to be simple, affordable, and easy to manage. The system is very DIY friendly, meaning most people can install the equipment themselves without professional help. The setup process is straightforward, and the equipment is designed to work right out of the box. This makes Cove appealing for homeowners who want to get protected quickly without a lot of complexity. Cove's equipment lineup focuses on the essentials. Sensors, the control panel, and monitoring features are easy to understand and easy to use. For many homeowners, that simplicity is a big plus. Cove tends to work well for people who want reliable protection, a clean interface, and a system that doesn't feel overwhelming. Overall, Cove delivers solid value by keeping things streamlined and accessible. ADT takes a very different approach. ADT is known for offering a premium, full-service home security experience. Systems are professionally installed, which means everything is handled for you from the beginning. This is ideal for homeowners who prefer a hands-off setup and want to know that their equipment is placed and configured by trained professionals. ADT also offers more advanced equipment and a very robust monitoring infrastructure. With 24/7 professional monitoring and long-term service plans, customers often gain access to professional-grade hardware while spreading out upfront costs. ADT's focus is on comprehensive protection, reliability, and long-term support, which is why it's often seen as one of the strongest options in the home security space. When you compare Cove and ADT, the difference really comes down to simplicity versus full service. Cove is a strong fit for budget-conscious homeowners who want an easy-to-install system that covers the basics well. ADT is better suited for those who want advanced features, professional installation, and a fully managed security experience backed by a large monitoring network. This is also a good moment to bring up that better alternative again. Right in the middle of deciding between Cove and ADT, clicking the link in the pinned comment or the description can help you explore an option that often combines professional-grade equipment with strong value and a more balanced overall experience. Both Cove and ADT have clear strengths. Cove delivers affordability and ease of use, while ADT delivers premium features and hands-on support. Neither is a bad choice, but they're built for different priorities and lifestyles. Before you make your final decision between Cove and ADT, take a moment to check the link in the pinned comment and the description. That better alternative could end up being the smartest overall choice for your home and your long-term security needs.